Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Natalie. Welcome. Today I'm going to make meat pie. I'm going to fry some meat pie. So I have my mince here already. Let's begin. I will begin by prepping my ingredient I'm going to use. So I have carrot here. I'm going to chop it in small pieces. My onions here, I'm using 1.5 and I'll cut them all up. Onions, but I'm going to use half of it. Yeah, let's begin. Now I'm going to start cutting my carrot. And cut half my spring onions. I'm going to start cutting it, but first I want to half it again, because my children, if they see the vegetable big like that, they will not eat it. Then I'll use my scissors to cut them. My filling for the pie. So I have my mince here. I will add my garlic and ginger. I'll add my dried basil, some salt, Maggi for seasoning, some of my onion, and I'll start cooking it. My carrot and my cayenne pepper. The pepper is optional. If you don't want to add pepper, that's optional. For me, I like my pie a little bit spicy. And I'll cover it up and let it cook for 10 minutes. I'm going to add my spring onions. The rest of my chopped onion. I want to thicken my filling, so I have some cornstarch and water here. I will mix it up, then I will pour it on the mince. Sorry, excuse me, my cough. Okay. Now I'm adding my cornstarch. Now it brings everything together. That's what I like. And our filling is done. Let's move on to the pie then. I'm going to grate this onion smoothly. I have my plain flour here. Salt, baking powder, my butter, you have to mix all the flour and the butter until everything will be well combined. Now I will add my grated onion. And I will start adding my water. I have a cup of water here. I will start adding it little by little. Now I think I have the texture I want, so I'm going to half it into two. Then I will wrap it in my cling film. I'm not going to put it in the fridge. I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes outside, and we'll begin again. See you soon. It has been 15 minutes already, so I'll just sprinkle some flour on my working surface, which was cleaned. Then I'll add my crust. And I'll use my rolling pin to flatten it. So I have my bowl here. I want to use it too. Yep, that will do. And I'll roll this back. Now I'm going to start filling my crust. Then I will wet this part so that I can glue the dough together. Then I'll press it down. Yeah, like that. Now I'm heating up my oil so that I can start frying my pie. And waiting for the oil to heat up, I'm going to continue doing my want to start adding my pie inside. My oil is on medium heat. My pie is ready. Can you see that? I really like it. And it's crunchy, fluffy, and the dough inside the dough is lovely. You can see all the vegetables. Me, I love to use the carrots, onions, and spring onions. They really love it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.